We are gathered, not are we?
We are gathered.
Oh,
We're all gathered.
bring the song now. To the daughters of Union veterans of the Civil War, to our daddies, the comrades of the Civil War, we are glad to gather here today to assist and join with our Margaret Hayes in celebrating her 96th birthday. We do deem it an honor and a great privilege that we can be with her today and to help her to celebrate this wonderful day in this way, planting this live oak tree in her honor. Margaret Hayes, a Civil War Army nurse.
I can't see the dirt. That's the worst.
Right there. Put your foot on it, Danny. Let her do it. Let her put her foot on it. Here. Now put it over into the hole here. Let her do it, comrade.
He knows I can't see.
Can you do one more? Try another one. Put your foot on it. Put your foot on it. But she can't see her foot. Now let her do one herself, comrade, please. That's it.
That'd be pretty. That'd be pretty.
That's it. Heave it over, Grandma.
Yeah.
Now, get in. Now, listen. You want to see everybody.
At the Benson Fremont tent, I present to you these flowers and our birthday card, of which we hope that many of us will live to be as old as you are, as young.
Well, thank you. I'm very pleased to accept the flowers. Very happy to be here with you today. So, and it's very lovely of you, this bouquet of flowers, I'm sure. I'm overcome all.
Sit down, Annie.
On this occasion, there's no tree more appropriate to represent this wonderful life of service more than the sturdy oak. It sheds sunshine and beauty to all who surrounds it. What does he do who plants a tree? He plants a friend of sun and sky. He plants the flag of breezes free, the shaft of beauty towering high. He plants a home to heaven anigh, for song and mother crone of bird, in hush and happy twilight heard. The tremor of heaven's harmony, those things he plants, who plants a tree. What does he plant who plants a tree? He plants cool shade and tender rain, and seed and bud of days to be, and years that fade and flush again. He plants the glory of the plain. He plants the forest's heritage, the harvest of a coming age, the joy that unborn eyes shall see. These things he plants, who plants a tree. And forecast thought of civil good, his blessings on the neighborhood, who in the hollow of his hand holds on.
All right, Andy. Go ahead. All right, Andy.
Why, friends, you want to know when I joined the Army. It was the 17th of February, 1863. Can you hear?
Yes, go ahead.
That I volunteered and was sent to Memphis, Tennessee, into one of the largest hospitals in the city, where I served for 2 years steady. I went home twice on a furlough, but came back again and was in the same place until I was transferred to the Gayosa Hospital. I was in the Adams Hospital at first.
He was there when General Forrest made his raid.
And I was transferred in the beginning of '65. I was transferred to the Gayosa Hospital in Memphis and served there the rest of the war till the war closed a little bit afterwards.
All right, come on.
I congratulate you on this occasion of your 96th birthday.
I thank you, comrade.
I thank you, may the Lord bless you.
Thank you, comrade.
I congratulate Miss Hayes on your 96th birthday, and I hope to celebrate your 100th birthday here.
Oh, thank you,
All right, dear.
Well, girls, I'm glad very happy to be here today on my 96th birthday. And such a beautiful day that the Lord has given us to celebrate today.
Now laugh real nice, Andy. Laugh real pretty, please. You hope to be here when you're 100, don't you, dear?
No, I don't think I do. I suppose I'd like to be, but I'm afraid I'll be deaf, dumb, and blind by that time.
Tell them you're glad to see the comrades, Andy.
But I'm glad to see the comrades, so many of them able to be out. I'm glad that my tent is all right and happy. And I hope they'll carry on their work for as long as it's needed. I thank you. I haven't anything more to say, I don't think. Unless you want to know where I was when I was nursing.
Telephone number.